Hi and welcome back to our channel. In this video we'll cook a special cut of meat along with a spicy sauce and grilled corn. So stick with us. We'll cook a special cut of pork which is not so widely used. In our opinion, this is the best cut of pork that usually butchers take it for themselves. It is the inguinal muscle, which if cooked properly is the most tender cut you will ever make. It can be seared in a pan or grilled, it is up to you. We will cut it in big chunks and we will sear it in a pan. We clean and dice a white onion and a few cloves of garlic. For the exact amount, check the description below. The weather was as usual, high humidity with temperatures below zero, no sunlight. It was the perfect mix to make us gather the dry wood as fast as we could to start a fire. We'll cook this meat in a hot cast iron pan with some butter.
Nem csoda.
We will grill some corn, a side dish. It is done in minutes and it gives a lot of energy. We season the meat with salt and ground pepper. We cook it until the internal temperature reaches 75 degrees Celsius. Not more because the meat will lose its tenderness. When the meat is done, we cross some red pepper and a few cloves of garlic. In the same pan, we sear the onion until translucent, and we add the crushed red pepper along with the garlic. We give it a good mix, and we add the red wine. We stir it until the alcohol evaporates, and we add a touch of Dijon mustard, and some butter. The butter will thicken this amazing spicy sauce. This cut of meat is just as tender as it gets, and the spicy sauce gives a good kick to it. If you don't like spicy, then make your favorite sauce. This meat is amazing with any sauce, or even on its own. So next time when you go to your butcher, ask for this cut and try it out. If you enjoyed our video, then please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. See you on the next one.